ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variable. देखो दो वेरिएबल है x y. Linear equation in two variable. अच्छा. तो put x is equal to 0. On putting x equal to 0, हमें y कितना मिलेगा? तो by equal to minus c, तो y equal to minus c अपन. Put x is equal to 1. तो a plus by is equal to minus c, by equal to minus c minus a, y equal to minus c minus a upon b. Put x is equal to 2, right? तो अभी twice a, ये twice a हो गया, twice a plus by plus c equal to 0, by equal to minus c minus 2a, तो y equal to minus c minus twice a upon b. देखो x का वैल्यू 0, y का वैल्यू ये है, x का वैल्यू 1, y का वैल्यू ये है, x का वैल्यू 2, y का वैल्यू ये है. तो x का जितना वैल्यू x का तुम सब्स्टिट्यूट करोगे उतना डिफरेंट y का वैल्यू हमें मिलेगा. तो therefore a linear equation in two variable has infinitely many solution. Infinitely many solution.